Top of the morning, ladies and gentlemen. Top of the morning. Beautiful day. It's totally calm in this section of West LA. So we're going to get some computer installation upgrading continued today. But I have to check the work from the main Mac because he is advanced as a young titty bopper and he don't play. He wants me to install some more hardware sometime today. But let's see what he's done since I've been away. Okay, he added an external like his daddy taught him. So he's learning the correct way. Let's see what he used. Okay, he used the Seagate. 2 TB. Now he's straight. Look at that, look at it. He didn't want to bought another mouse. He loves these mouses here. But he keeps buying different mice. He done did this more than twice. I gotta stuff this in there, but ordering some more hardware coming today where we can install that. Well, uh, we'll see about that. This is a chair I assembled for him. He put his own desk together that he ordered. And the office game room is coming together. Uh-oh. Gotta go. That's the lady, yo. Have a nice day. Peace throughout the world, though.